Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to navigate the Morning Sun website because a few of the links that we have in our propaganda project here, our WebQuest, do use that website. So the first is going to be Ask Chairman Mao for the answers. Now if this link isn't working, hopefully it does, right? You should come up with something that looks like this, and we'll be able to hover over the words and things will change for us. In Morning Sun itself, in the website, if I need to send you here instead, we can come into Multimedia. When we come into Multimedia, we'll scroll down, and then there's a link right here called Ask Chairman Mao for the answers. So that's the first of the site's options that I want to show you. Another one would be the forward by Lin Biao and the Little Red Book. So again, we can get rid of this one, and hopefully these links will redirect us. And it looks like they are, right? That they're coming up and coming right to where we need to go. But again, if they don't, right, we would just come into our Morning Sun website, and we can come into the library for those, and here's our Little Red Book, and then we have the preface, and then read the Little Red Book. Our next section that we're probably going to need for this is going to come into Music, Film, and Performing Arts. So we're going to go to the Listen to the Radio tab. Music, play the radio, right? And again, this will take us to Morning Sun. You can see it's kind of going. We're probably going to get an Adobe pop-up there. Just to show you kind of how to use this, is you would actually click and hold. And then as you hold, you would rotate. And you can hear that background going on really well, right? You would hold and rotate, and that would bring up the different radio programming options that exist. But if we're in the site in Morning Sun and we're in Multimedia, we would just click on that button right there, Listen to the Radio. So let's get rid of Little Red Book. Let's get rid of Listen to the Radio. The next thing that we'd have, a song of triumph for Chairman Mao's proletarian line on public health. Again, this one, yeah, see, there's the issue. If you just click on that automatically in a Chrome browser, it's going to take you to this redirecting website and download something. We'll go ahead and say keep, especially if we're on laptops in school. But see, that's not working, and so I would really suggest using Edge for this one. But in order to get there, what we're going to do is come, again, kind of to Multimedia. We would click on that link right there called, let me come back to it, right? The Miracles of Chairman Mao, 2 films. It should pop up with this pop-up here, and then we would click on the documentary. And this is where we were trying to get to. And then we would play film, and that should be where we are going to. Okay? So that's how you can get to that one. And again, if you are working in an Edge browser, that would work much better because they have a Flash software involved. The last thing that we need is the East is Red. So again, on this website, and that perfect, it comes up perfectly there. So in order to get to this one, we actually want to go to the East is Red, and we would just click on the East is Red, and that'll bring us up with that same page that I was on. And then you can click on the individual pages here, and it'll probably pop up with a download movie file, and go ahead and do that and open it up. So that's how you navigate those links and those resources. I know it's a little tricky, but that's kind of why I wanted to go through those, especially the ones that exist in this section, because sometimes they're a little tricky to get around.